Hello everyone, warm greeting from the Department of Commerce. I'm Ranjni and I take great pride in introducing and welcoming you to Reconnect, the first eco-friendly initiative by the Department of Commerce, Women's Christian College. We, the students of BCom Commerce, successfully organized this event with an ambitious goal of spreading awareness of eco-friendliness and the importance of our environment on 17 February 2023. We spread awareness on many eco-friendly products like Beeswax food wrap, which is an eco-friendly and recyclable food wrap which can be used instead of plastics. Organic and reusable menstruation pads, terrace gardening and the correct way of planting trees and saplings, the convenient usage of jute and paper bags.
Wealth out of waste was another interesting segment of EcoConnect, which showcased the talents of our students who made different items using recyclable waste and unused materials.
To make the event more exciting, we organized a hands on pottery workshop which received great enthusiasm from the students. The participants were able to get the experience of making a pot by themselves and take their work home as a fun memory.
We also put up stalls on paper craft, plant leaf products, organic skincare products, and eco friendly accessories.
A fun-filled flash mob was being performed by the final year BCom students. They ensured that the energy stayed high throughout the event while still serving its purpose by gathering more attention.
Rapid Fire Eco Quiz, a fun game conducted to educate students about environmental issues and encourage them to adopt environmentally friendly habits in their daily routine.
We hosted inter-department events like debate and Rangoli competitions with our participants from various departments which followed the theme of EcoConnect.
And here we come to the end of the video. We had a blast organizing and conducting EcoConnect and surely left a positive impact on the student community of our college about how precious our environment is. Thank you.